throughout history, pandemics and epidemics have come and gone. And with all our advancement in technology and science, we're not an exception. It's the way nature works. And in the computer age, we have our reset button. We press this button to kind of erase so many of the things that are there on the screen and bring us back to our original natural position. And I see this as we're trying to help in whatever way we can, protect ourselves and others. Nature is pressing a reset button so that we can take inventory of our values, our desires, our purpose, and what really is meaningful in our life, and how to focus our attention on addressing the real issues that have true relevance to our life. Our families, our loved ones, our society, our own true self within, and God. These are the most important relationships we have, and the heart yearns to have these relationships. So with all the distractions and diversions that we are vulnerable to, we have an opportunity, individually and collectively, to take some time, to take a step back. And what direction do I really want to take in my life? What is the character and the values, spiritually, socially, and individually, that I want to make sacred in my life? And this is an extraordinary crisis. It's unprecedented, but it also gives us unprecedented opportunities.